Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Once again, welcome to Kami Academy. Today in this video, we are going to practice some daily life English sentences. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. I request all of you don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. It will be helpful for you. So let's start. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ या उठती हूँ. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. मैं नाश्ते से पहले दांत साफ करता हूँ. I brush my teeth before breakfast. I brush my teeth before breakfast. मैं काम या स्कूल बस से जाता हूँ. I go to work by bus या आप कह सकते हैं I go to school by bus. मैं दोपहर को दोपहर का खाना खाता हूँ. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. मैं शाम को घर वापस आता हूँ. I come back home in the evening. I come back home in the evening. मैं सोने से पहले टीवी देखता हूँ. I watch TV before going to bed. I watch TV before going to bed. मैं अपने ख़ानदान के लिए रात का खाना पकाता हूँ या पकाती हूँ. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. मैं सोने से पहले किताब पढ़ता हूँ. I read a book before sleeping. I read a book before sleeping. मैं सुबह अपनी ईमेल देखता हूँ. I check my emails in the morning. मैं हफ्ते के दिनों में अपने दोस्तों के साथ वक्त गुजारता हूँ. I spend time with my friends on weekends. I spend time with my friends on weekends. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So take care. All the best. Bye bye.